Hey guys, I'm Barista MK. Today I will show you how to make elephant latte art. So elephant latte art is based on rosetta latte art or preparing. So first you pour in the milk and make a big head and then make a trunk on the side. So that is a base, elephant face base. From that, you can just use a latte art etching pan to make a big wide here. You don't have to connect, so you can connect. It's just sometimes it's cute without connect. It's like that, and then I like to sometimes I like to do a grumpy face, but today I will make a happy face. Make it like round eyebrow and big eyes, and here is a nose. So this is just my signature cute elephant latte art. Just let me know how it goes with you guys. And I have lots of shorts that more information and useful information, so you can check it out and subscribe and like. That would be great.